So yeah, today we are going to build this workflow in Clay, right? So let's start with the first step. So in this Clay workflow, we have a company website and a company LinkedIn page URL as an input. So in the first step, we have to find the case studies from the website, right? So let's get back to the Clay, right? So here we have three companies: Meteor, Lunardev, Twine Security. We have their website, company name, and the company LinkedIn. Now, to find the case studies, we first need to go to their website, and then if we go to the, you could say, resource library. Yeah, so they have case study section inside their resources website, right? Resources page. So they have three case studies as far as I can see. So we want to scrape the URL as well, right? And then the company name as well. So to do that, we are going to use Clegent, right? So in Clegent, we will give the resources URL, right? Navigate to the specific website, right? Go to the case studies, or you could say customer stories page, right, where they have mentioned the case study, right? For each case studies we want a URL as well, right? If no case studies, then just return nothing. And also ensure the extracted data is accurate, right? So this is the prompt, right? So let's see the output. Yeah, so here we have Zoom info, right? Like the company name mentioned in the case study, the case study URL as well, right? Let's get the, yeah, Lemonade and the URL. Then if we check the case studies for our second website, right? So we have the case study URL and the company name, right? But now if you like, if we go to the website again in the home page, as you can see in the hero section, they have their customers logo mentioned in the hero section, right? Redis, Rubicon, Deva, Blackstone. So these are their customers, right? But they have not like specifically mentioned in their case studies, right? But we still need to scrape these, you could say, company names, right? So to do this scraping, obviously we cannot scrape these images, right? So what we can do here is, like, inside the Clay we can like use Xandros, right, to scrape the entire, you could say, homepage of the website, right? So as you can see, we have body text here, images, all the links, right? And from this data we are going to extract the company name, right? So for example, if I go to the Imitica website, let's check, let's say Pontera, right? So if I search for Pontera here, right, and if I copy this URL and paste it here, so as you can see, we have the company name inside the URL, because the it is in the logo, like logo format, image format, right? So we want to scrape this company name from this link, right? So what we are going to do inside Clay here is, like, we'll use ChatGPT here and write something like, get the list of all the company name mentioned in this link, right? So let's see the output. So yeah, here as you can see, we have the company name, all the company name that is mentioned on their, you could say, website logo, right? Pontera, Bring, Ever After, right? So yeah, that's how we are going to, you could say, scrape the company names from the logos they have mentioned on their website, right? Further, let's go into the next step, which is, again, we need to find company website, LinkedIn, industry of their customers, right? So what we are going to do here in Clay is, like, find the domain, because we already have the company name. We are going to use Claygen to find the domain, and then enrich company using Apollo. So we have the industries, and then we have the LinkedIn URL, right? And then we also need to find what products and services do they sell, right? So again, we are going to use Claygen to find the products and so here, as you can see, if you go to the Zoom Info website, so they have products, right, platform, and professional services. So we want to get these details here in Clay as well. So if we go to the response, so we have the products, right? Talent, DAS, we Zoom Info Copilot, and then we have the solutions as well, contact and communications, right? So yeah, this is how we have done the first step, right? In the next video, I will show you how we can get the team structure.